Hello everyone. Today let's learn about the muscle spindle, a small but very important structure inside our muscle. It helps us know the position of the muscles and protects them for injury by controlling their stretch. So let's see, what is muscle spindle? A muscle spindle is a special sensor found inside our skeletal muscle. Its main job is to detect changes in our muscle length. In other words, it tells our brains when muscle is stretched. This is important for posture, muscle tone, and reflexes. Let's see the structure of muscle spindle. The muscle spindle look like a spindle or fusion shape. That means thicker in the middle and thinner in the end. Inside it has about 5 to 12 intrafusal muscle fibers, all covered by the capsules. There are interfusal fibers lie parallel to normal muscle fibers, which are called extrafusal fiber. The middle part of the intrafusal fiber has no actin or myosin, so doesn't contract. This part acts as a sensor. The end of these fibers can contract because they have actin and myosin. So let's see the types of intrafusal fibers. There are two types of intrafusal fiber: nuclear bag fiber and nuclear chain fiber. In nuclear bag fiber, this has a swollen middle filled with bunch of the nuclei. Like a bag, they sense rapid stretching of the muscles. In nuclear chain fiber, there are thinner within nuclei lined up in a row like a chain. They sense sustained or steady stretching. Now let's talk about sensory nerve supply. The muscle spindle connected to the nervous system through the sensory nerves. Primary ending. This wrap around both nuclear bag and chain fiber. They sense both fast and slow stretch. And secondary ending. This mostly contract the nuclei chain fibers and help sustain the stretch. So let's see a motor nerve supply. The spindles and get motor nerve supply from the gamma motor neurons. This adjusts how sensitive the spindle is, and dynamic gamma neurons work with the nuclear bag fibers to help detect quick stretch. Static gamma neuron work with neuron and chain fibers to help detect ready stretches. Now let's talk about functions. Functions of muscle spindle. So what does the muscle spindle actually do? It tells the brain how fast muscle is being stretched. Start a stretch reflex. This helps to prevent muscle from the stretching to the much and getting injured. It helps keep muscle tone maintained in posture and ensure that our voluntary movements are smooth and in controls. So summary. To sum up, the muscle spindle is a key sensor for proprioception. Our sense of muscle position. It protects muscles by monitoring their stretch, helps and keep posture, and ensure the smooth coordinating movement. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you to understand the muscle spindle in simple way.